ITV, of course, the vibe is nice. It's my Thursdays on ITV. Make sure you're following at ITV Jamaica on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. You know what I mean? And you can follow us on Facebook also. And of course, please follow me at Super at UPT. That's SUPA. It ain't no SUPER thing. Okay? Good. We don't forget kryptonite. Super. Now, my good friend Bangin is here. Fresh. Bangin. Bangin. Sure. What one boss? Right, so you're working with this artist from Dominica. I mean, what is that like?
Well, I want to tell you, I'm talented enough. So, it's a good vibe to work with him, because you know, Jamaican is the type of artist. So when I listen to him, I get Bounty Killer, Future Chubby, one. Yeah, so it's like him giving the vibes, so just take him to the street. So I'm not sure the ropes and then something like, or for take on the street and things.
Of course, and for people watching and they're seeing CD Bangin for the first time, they're hearing CDs up there. Yeah, let the ladies look into your eyes and see that here.
Yes, shut down people.
Yes.
One in the island.
Yeah.
I want to.
Yeah, CD Bangin in the house.
You know what I'm saying? What you do to the CD Bangin style?
Yeah.
I some schoolgirl have one money, you know, that's just true. You know, the thing going have style.
Yeah.
You have to take time, growing, and I
yeah, different image.
Different thing.
How can people find CD Bangin on Instagram?
Alright, now CD Bangin, CD underscore Bangin. I have Bangin the Banger. See? And on Facebook, I have Omar Bangin, Macna. See?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything on Bangin.
They think I'm Bangin 14, so I have everything like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, and what is the plan with Brookout? I mean, what's your next move? I mean, like, what is the ultimate aim with getting Brookout's music in Jamaica?
You know, I produce and I'm about reading to you. So I put Brock up on it. At the first stage, I try to get him on the radio and get him out there on the radio and then some of that. I'm at the street now, you don't know CD Bangin mixtape. I think on the street people.
Yes.
But if you get a copy, I'm sure. Paper! The CD, them hot. CD Bangin I take over, so I need to purchase a copy. Right?
And where can people find you if they're not on social media and they're just in the streets, they want to get a CD?
Yeah, but they are Constant Spring Arcade. Everybody know Passport Office. That's the arcade beside Passport Office. Me and my co-worker, them DJ Kenny, DJ Dan Kingston, DJ Dotcom, DJ Jason. Now, what about you stay, brother? The CD.
Oh? Big up Dan Kingston, the boss. DJ Kenny, my real friend, Ken Roy. Big up yourself, DJ Kenny. You know you're my G.
I watch y'all going to Super. Remember, I'm company, Field Music Group. People will say, alright, I don't want to mixtape celebrity.
Yeah.
Yeah. The DJ, we sing, we road manage, we produce, we promoter. See? So, I don't want to mixtape celebrity right now. I'm a company on the side that I Field Music Group.
Field Music Group!
In Philadelphia, we keep a thing in Field Fest every year. Eventually, we never get to keep it. That we keep it early since
last year.
Oh, last year. So yes. You know, they get to keep it every year. But people, they're not going great things are come to the 2018. You hear that?
Great things. Alright, big up Brookout in the house also. Brookout, big up yourself, my boss. I mean, you have any advice to, artists out there, you know, that they want to make it, maybe they're over in Haiti or they're over in Martinique, and right now they're stressed out. I mean, the roof is probably down the road or something, it blow off the ground, we don't know. They want to do music. I mean, what kind of words you have to give to artists like yourself, but they really want to make it in dancehall?
Well, the whole thing is consistency, you understand? You just have to believe in yourself. You understand? Yes. Nobody else's opinion doesn't matter, but your opinion, and just believe what you have to do. And just go forward for it, you understand? Because my belief have me in Jamaica today. Yeah.
Yes.
Respect.
Respect. You hear what the man said? Respect. That goes a far way all over the world, peace. You don't know respect and integrity. Of course, that's being a true Jamaican. Big up my friend here from Dominica. And big up CD Bangin, of course.
Yeah, big up Ruffian.
Yeah, Ruffian
East. Artists that people. And look out for that. With the big bad tune close to your enemy.
Yeah,
really artists. No, we have a road management. There are a whole heap of artists and a road management. Fuck. You got Jonery, you got Mr. Easy, you got Vegas in the island right now. Mr. Vegas are promoting this song. Irma. I know Irma. touch least.
Yes. When you say Irma, you have to say Dirty Irma.
Yeah, very
Yes.
Irma.
Yes.
So, you know, I think when you are one, you see him now, he misses it. That the church is him chosen. Because him should have been a Dominica. See? And I mean, warn him out and tell him, say, stay in Jamaica, to do some more promotion on the street. And when the checker stop, boom, here comes the storm. Mash up in country. So him have to go there now to tell the tales and try to do something we want to know our plan, even if we go over there. But keep a little concern with that.
Yes.
I talk about the mind management people.
Yes.
So,
Carry some white rice and curry good.
no, you've got to go up work, can make them feel good, say better tomorrow, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Until you need a Jamaican vibes right now.
Yes, because you know, if we didn't handle them type of vibes, I would have really needed from other countries.
Because Bishop is covered to make it juggle and get them to bread food.
Yeah, no, so far, everything.
Yeah, but then,
I call upon you, the time come. But as you must say, we can't get in contact with nobody over there yet.
that's just wait and
So we have to hold out for us and see, because the Prime Minister also fall off the, you know.
I heard.
So why not dialogue with him? I want to tell you that the Prime Minister just bust the him through.
I didn't really see celebrity man say
Prime Minister
Minister.
in a Dominica, love this brother son. And I will give him some strength when he must the Prime Minister and stress too.
It's on that much of time.
Yeah, so we just want to watch out.
Get your music out there, my brother. And I mean, you know, try and spend Christmas with the family. You know what I mean? And think and get things going. Enough respect. Enough respect, my brother. All the way from Jamaica. ITV.
Arigato, boy.
Big up. Alright, so you know how it speaks. Right now, speaking about artists, ITV, you know, we got this thing. We must an artist too. So we're dropping a video right now, Feluki. So let's do this. It's ITV.